What's up, everyone? So I had an issue where I tried to downgrade from HyperOS to MIUI 14, and I was using MI Flash 2. It didn't let me do that. For some reason, Xiaomi doesn't allow downgrade from HyperOS to MIUI 14. So I had to try to flash via EDL with Authenticator Flash, and I got my device bricked. So if you have any issue with that, for example, you got the message your device has been destroyed for whatever reason and don't know how to revive your Xiaomi device back, you can click the link in the description and send me a message. I'm going to refer you to someone who can do that better for you. This is someone who have an authentication flash for Xiaomi devices. You can flash your device via EDL and help solve your problems.